In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Valorant network problems, updated 2026 guide. If Valorant is having trouble connecting, one simple fix is to refresh your computer's IP address. This can help when the issue is caused by a temporary network conflict or a problem with how your system connected to the router or internet service. Start by opening the command prompt with administrator access. To do that, open the Start menu and search for Command Prompt. When it appears in the results, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, approve it so the program opens with full access. Once the command prompt window is open, you will type the first command, enter ipconfig /release, then press Enter. This command tells Windows to release the current IP address that your system is using. After a moment, your network connection may briefly disconnect. That is normal, because the computer is letting go of the existing address before requesting a new one. When that command finishes, move on to the next one. Type ipconfig /renew, then press Enter. This command asks your router or network to assign a fresh IP address to your computer. In many cases, this can clear up connection problems that affect online games like Valorant. Give it a little time to finish. The exact time can vary depending on your network and how quickly your system reconnects. After the renewal process is complete, close the command prompt window. If the issue was related to your local IP address or a temporary network assignment problem, this refresh may fix it right away. If Valorant is still having connection issues after this, the problem may not be on your computer. In that case, the issue could be related to your internet service provider or a wider network interruption in your area. If that happens, contact your provider and let them know you are having network problems. They may be able to confirm whether there is an outage or a service issue affecting your connection. This method is quick, safe, and easy to try, and it is often one of the first troubleshooting steps worth using for online connection problems. It does not change your game settings, and it does not require any extra software.